Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St. Thomas and we're looking at the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway. And this highway runs all the way from Portland to Harborview. This section that we're driving on is a section from the Yallus Bridge to the Harborview Bridge. Now at this point the highway is going to run along the existing road. So these 2 lanes are going to be turned into 4 lanes for the highway. Now on the right you can see this is Albion in St. Thomas. On the right you can see where they are going to put the 2 additional lanes. So I want you guys to pay attention to how this road looks. This is the existing road, and as we go further up we're going to go on to the new road, the highway road, and you're going to see how different it looks. Alright, so you can see the concrete barricade there because that's going to be used to separate the 2 sides of the road. It's going to be a dual carriageway, 4 lanes, but it's under construction now, so that's why everything looks like this. So the highway is being built in sections. This section is, as we said, from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge, or from the Yallus Bridge because we're in that direction back to the Harborview Bridge. Okay, I don't know what's in this water, so alright, so now we're going to drive on the new road. This is what the existing road is going to look like when it's finished. So there you can see a huge difference at night and day. Now remember, this is going to be a dual carriage lane. It's going to be 4 lanes. But this side is finished and they're working on the other side. So for now, it's 1 lane in either direction. But when completed, it's going to be a dual carriageway. And as you can see, it's a very nice road. You can see them working on the other 2 lanes on the left. And this is the section from the Yallus Bridge, more specific, from the Yallus Bridge to the South Coast Park, Adventure Park area, or from the Yallus Bridge to Grand Spend. Now straight ahead you can see that the road will continue straight, but as we said, they're building it in phases. Straight ahead is where the road will continue, so we are going back on the old road for this section, and then we go back on to the new road later on. But you guys can see the difference between the old road and the highway, and that alone will show you just how important this project is and how easy it will be to get from Kingston to, say, Morant Bay, or even just the parish of St. Thomas. And as a result of this highway, you have a lot of new developments that are going on in St. Thomas. You have a lot of residential, where do we go now? Residential projects being done, like apartments, townhouses being built. But you also have major projects that the government are undertaking in addition to the highway, such as the Morant Bay Urban Center and those kind of things. And all of this is possible because of this highway that's being built. So St. Thomas will no longer be the forgotten parish. Alright, so this is another section of the finished road. On the left you can see the other 2 lanes being worked on, and on the left is where you had the original road. So can you just imagine driving on this kind of road all the way from Kingston to Port Antonio? This is what you call progress, major development for Jamaica, and you really have to give the government credit for, one, building it, finding the money, all of that, and having the vision to do it. And all these roads started with Highway 2000. At the time Highway 2000 was being built, few persons in the government or even the opposition thought or in the country in general, thought such a highway could be built in Jamaica. Few. If it wasn't for the then Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, I don't think Highway 2000 would have been built. And if Highway 2000 wasn't built, I don't think this highway would have been built. So you really have to give credit to Mr. Patterson and his administration, the former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson and his administration, because he really showed the entire nation that highways could be built in Jamaica, and foreign investors could come and invest in these highways and make money. So as a result of Highway 2000, we have the Southern Coastal Highway, which we're driving on today. I know we're not a political channel, but that's just how these highways in Jamaica got going. Alright, so straight ahead is another route for the highway. So we're going back on the old road now, and then we will merge back onto the highway at different points. So this highway started in 2017 and it's scheduled to finish in 2035. Sorry, did I say 2025? Which is in 2 years' time. But the highway is being built in sections. So as we go along, certain sections will be opened up for the public to use. So you'll get to drive on sections of this highway long before 2025. And for those of you who are familiar with this area, this is the old road that you used to have to drive on. I'm sure this road has brought back a lot of memories because it was the only way, or the main road, from Kingston to St. Thomas at one time. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.